Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the Samsung Internet notifications alert sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. In here, tap on the menu key at the bottom. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Sites and Downloads. In here, tap on Notifications. Now tap on the Option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on Notification Settings. Then go down and you can choose how the app will alert you. You can choose Allow Sound and Vibration or Deliver Quietly. Next, go down and tap on Notification Categories. In here, you can choose which category can send you notifications. At the moment, most of them are turned on, except the promotions one. It is currently switched off. Now, if you want to change the sound for downloads, then we tap on Downloads on the left-hand side panel. Now, at the moment, you can see it is set to silent. You can choose it to alert or silent. And let's go back to a different category. So here we got website. So in website, it is currently set to alert. So when you go to a website and if a website sends you notifications, it will alert the phone. So in here, you can choose to show as pop-up or not. And then in the sound section here, tap on sound. By default, it is set to space line. So that is the notification alert sound that you would receive when there is a new notification. So in here, you can select a different sound. So go down the list here and select a different sound. You can see that there's quite a lot of options for you to choose. Alright, so select one of the sounds available. And that's it. And down here you can also choose to turn on vibration or not. If you receive a notifications, your phone can gently vibrate, or you can switch it off. And you can also choose how the notifications showing on the lock screen. You can choose to show content or hide content. And that's it. Basically, that is how you can change your Samsung Internet notification sound alert on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.